Hello again and welcome to another unboxing video. This time we have the Entropic Uprising Commander deck from the Commander deck series 2016. This is the last out of the 5 Commander decks that came out at 2016. It's called Entropic Uprising, and the commander that we get is Widris Maelstrom Wielder. You can see here the giant size card, and let's get on with the unboxing. This deck has no white in it, and here we can see the beautiful artwork on the giant foil card. Really beautiful. And let's get on with the rest of the cards. We have the info booklet here with the deck list and how to play this deck, and the cards. Let's open them. This deck comes with 4 foil legendary cards. Here the normal sized commander card, Kidele Chosen of Krufix. These cards come with a new ability partner, so you can have 2 commanders if they both share the ability commander. Thrasios Triton Hero, beautiful artwork here too, nice foil, and Vial Smasher the Fierce. Next we have our 10 token cards, which are double faced. Some zombies here, all of them are zombies. And let's see the rest of the cards. Satyr Wayfinder, Wall of Blossoms, Coiling Oracle, Spellhead Chimera, Gamekeeper, Bloodbraid Elf, Horizon Chimera, Sol Ring, Felwar Stone, Rakdos Signet, Simic Singet, Commander's Sphere, Whisper Seal Cloak, Frenzied Fugue, Chain of Vapor, Rakdos Charm, Ancient Excavation, Bituminous Blast. Really strange word. I'm sorry for my pronunciation. Windfall, Parting Thoughts, Far Wanderings, Grave Upheaval, Treasure Cruise, Treacherous Terrain, Some Islands, Goblin Spymaster, Runehorn Hellkite, Boompile, Certain Skull, Cruel Entertainment, Past in Flames, Ghastly Conscription, Army of the Damned, Academy Elite, Sangromancer, Glintai Nephilim, really nice card, I like the artwork, Eon Chronicle, Guild Feeder. Let's see the rest of the deck here. Consuming Aberration, Nath of the Guild Leaf, Ethereum Horn Sorcerer, Dragon Mage, Blood Tyrant, Chromatic Lantern, really great card. I wish all 5 of the commanders deck had one. Sadly only this one has. Burgeoning, Waste Not, Chaos Warp, Evacuation, Wheel of Fate, Decimate, Whispering Madness, some miracle cards, Devastation Tide, Reforge the Soul, Worm Harvest, Spellwind, Whims of the Fates, Volcanic Vision, In Garruk's Wake, one of the best cards. Destroy all creatures you don't control and all planeswalkers you don't control, so you just swipe everything you don't control. Really great. Exotic Orchant, Shadow Blood Ridge, some islands, some swamps, some mountains and some forests. These were our basics. And the rest of the lands: Ash Barrens, Command Tower, Crumbling Necropolis, Dismal Backwater, Evolving Wilds, Frontier Bivouac, Jungle Hollow, Opulent Palace, Rakdos Carnarium, Reliquary Tower, Rugged Highlands, Rapture Spire, Savage Lands, Simic Growth Chamber, Shiftwater Cliffs, Terramorphic Expanse, and Thornwood Falls. So that was what we get inside this commander deck. We have our cardboard box, which sadly doesn't fit your deck once you put sleeves on, but we have a really nice deck and this really beautiful giant sized commander card and another 4 legendary foils. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.